Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute frame shape for your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I am going to go to the background section and I'm going to select this white background. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it. Go to mask and select rectangle and start creating a border around it. I'm going to add a little bit of rounded corners. I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to change it to a circle, and I'm just going to attempt to create a cloud on this side of the frame. You can place it anywhere you want. I think that's good enough. Let me add like another circle, like a smaller one, I guess. Like right about here. Then I'm just going to go down and see if I can find like a yellow color for some stars. Just going to add this there and here and there. That's how you can create a cute border for your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!